John here from Big Dreams Travel, and just wanted to give you a quick little tutorial on making dining reservations at Disney World. Now, remember, when working with our agency, our dream designers, the one you're working with, can help you as much or as little with this process as you want. So this is a tutorial for you, but they can certainly help and answer questions. And really what they would be best at is making suggestions over what restaurants would fit into your plan and for your family and what you all want. So I encourage you to reach out to them, and they will be reaching out to you to make sure you have the information you need on dining. Right now, Disney World is allowing dining reservations 60 days in advance of any trip. Now, before the coronavirus pandemic, we could always make dining reservations at Disney 180 days in advance of a date. That's down to 60 now. We don't know how long that's going to stay. That appears to be what the time is going to be for the near future. Again, a year or two down the road, that may change again, but for right now, 60 days in advance. Now, there are a few different ways you can get to the dining reservation system. Make sure you log into your Disney World account before you do anything as far as reserving dining, because you want to, when you make those reservations, you want them to automatically link back to your account. Under the Things to Do tab, you can find the dining system to make reservations here, where it says Make Reservations. Under the My Disney Experience tab, you can get to it here by clicking Reserve Dining. There's also a link on the My Plans page. And remember, the My Plans page is where all of the different reservations you have for your trip will show up. Your hotel, your Parks Pass reservations, your dining reservations, when Fast Pass or whatever system we have comes back in the future, your Fast Passes or the equivalent will show up there. So you can get to dining from that page as well. I'm just going to click Reserve Dining right here to get there, and it will take me to the dining reservation system. Once I'm here, you can start to see the initial list that comes up is going to be every list of dining reservations at Walt Disney World. So you can do your search for a dining time one of a couple ways. You can, if you want a very generic search, you can choose a date, and you can see the system will only let me go 60 days out. But you can choose a date, you can choose a time, you can choose a specific time. Also, if you scroll to the very top, you can just choose breakfast, brunch, lunch, or dinner. And you choose how many people are in your party, and you can choose search. And it's going to give you everything that matches your search during that time period. Now, this is going to be as you can see, there's a lot of tables available for dinner during that time. So you might want to take that and narrow it down to, say, you're going to be in Epcot that night. And so it gives you an option there. Also shows you restaurants that do not have availability. That is why it is important to do these in advance, especially since some of these restaurants right now are still working off of limited seating capacity. You can change this to Disney Springs. You can change it to any of the resorts. Let's just change it to one of my favorite resorts here. And you can get a Whispering Canyon Cafe dinner. That would be a good one to have. And so you can search those types of ways. You also can, I'm going to go back to the main page just to clear my search there. And if you want to, you can click to a specific restaurant. I'm going to go ahead and type in Whispering Canyon. And you can type that in, and it will take you to that restaurants page. This is where you can view the menu for Whispering Canyon. You can also do all of these functions from your app on your phone, but you can see the menu for Whispering Canyon. You can see the dinner menu. The skillets are fantastic there, and so all those things are available on that page. You can view if any discounts are available if you are an annual pass holder or a DVC member. You can see the hours that they're open, and you can click the check availability button and search for your dining reservation that way. So I can search a time on a different day, or you can search it from the restaurants page. So you don't have to be on that page that shows all of those restaurants. You can kind of pick restaurants that you are interested in, go to their page, and you can see this one gave me a time at 8:45 p.m. If I click that time, it will advance me and allow me now to make that reservation. Once I'm here, I would select myself or whoever your lead guest is there as the top name, and then you can add your dining party from your family and friends list. You don't have to add family or friends. This one is going to tell me that your credit card is being used to guarantee a reservation. This happens to all Disney World reservations. They are all guaranteed by a credit card. If you have one on file in your Disney account, it will use that one or give you that option. It will give you an option to use a different card or put in a card if you don't have one. The dining reservations at Disney World need to be canceled 24 hours in advance, or there will be a cancellation fee. And that is a fee assessed per person. Once you're done that, you click Next, and they will finalize your reservation. Once you've done that, it's going to take you to a page that will allow you to make sure your email is correct, your mobile phone number is correct. You can add any food allergies that people may have. We have a peanut allergy in our family. You can add wheelchair seating if needed and click Done. That way they know if there are any allergies. You do then scroll down and you have to accept all of the policies. Once you do that, you click the Reserve button. And once you click that Reserve button, it will make your reservation. It gives you the time. You can view the details again here. And the confirmation number is what you'll want to make sure you have. You should also get an email as soon as this happens. So just make sure you have that confirmation number somewhere. Again, if you're logged in, it's most likely 99% of the time it will automatically go to your My Plans list. Every now and then the system is a little slow and you may have to add it via the confirmation number, but most of the time it will work. So let's go over to the My Plans page and I'll show you that reservation. And so as we scroll down, you can see on the My Plans page, you can see I've got a Parks Pass reservation that I did here for Hollywood Studios. And I've also got on that dining reservation that I just made for Whispering Canyon. You can view the details. You can change, modify, or cancel that reservation by clicking the Change button or the Cancel button over here. And so again, that automatically showed up on the My Plans page. So that is a quick look at how to make dining reservations on the Walt Disney World website. Again, if you have any more questions, make sure you contact your dream designer. We are more than happy to help with as much of this process as you want so you can have the perfect Disney World vacation. Thanks. Have a great day, everyone.